So I bought this thing that is supposed to play music while it spins, but it's not really music. It's more of a demonish, poltergeistish, I don't know, like noise. It doesn't even sound like music. So here we go. So it looks like, and we're gonna spin it. And I bought this yesterday. And supposedly, oh god, when I bought it yesterday at the middle of the night, I heard some stuff going on the roof, in the attic, outside the door, right there. Yeah, I don't know what happened, and then when I woke up, I played with it, and it sounded exactly like it, like this, how I just showed you guys. I don't know how to put it. Okay. So one more time, in case you guys couldn't hear, I'll put it closer. And it looks like it's spinning for a long time. Did you guys just hear that? It looks like it's spinning for a long time, and out of nowhere, it just like, so it's spinning, right? All right, pretend it's spinning. It's spinning, and then out of nowhere, like that. So I don't know what's going on, but I don't really want to play with this toy anymore. I know I just said I don't want to play with it, but just one more time. Whoa, that was weird. I just got like a weird, like, thump in my ear. And it felt like if a heartbeat was in my ear. Okay, that's weird. And one more spin, and I do feel like I'm being watched whenever I go to sleep. God damn it. Hold up. Okay, yeah, one more time. And that's all. I'm going to end the video after that. Nope. You wanna know what I'm gonna do with this? I'll show you what I'm gonna do with this. Alright, bye guys.